is Randy Manetti. And I'm here to talk to you about affiliate marketing for beginners. If you're just beginning in your journey of marketing, I have a course for you that'll be just perfect. It has step-by-step instructions, it has videos, and along with those videos, it has written instructions so you can follow along with the video. I know when I was first starting out over 6 years ago, I didn't know what to do. I didn't have anybody to guide me, anybody. I was trying one course after another, and when I've spent well over $5,000 probably in different courses, and none of them have the value that this course does. And this course costs just a little bit more than a cup of coffee at Starbucks or a meal at McDonald's. So there's no excuses why you can't start learning and fine-tuning your abilities in affiliate marketing. This program teaches you where to market, how to get free traffic, and how to do it. So Justin that developed the course, he worked just for 8 months for somebody and then quit. And he's been doing this ever since. He's very happy that he's able to stay home and have lots of free time. And if this sounds like something you would like to have, more free time, not have to get in the car every morning and fight the commute, I would click on the link below this video when it's done and learn how to fine-tune your ability, the market your business, or you can learn how to market this business also. So, I got to be honest with you. Some people think that, hey, if I buy this course, I'll just all of a sudden be rich in a week. No, there's no such thing. A lot of people they lie to you and tell you that, hey, you buy this course and, just give us $3,500. Just give us $4,000 and you'll get that money back in 30 days. No, it's not true. They're lying to you. Every course out there you got to work at. Excuse me. And this one's no different. However, it's very well laid out, and anybody that wants to learn and is eager to learn, you can do it. Okay. A lot of you are working 9-to-5 jobs and probably hate it. You hate your boss. Well, if that's the case, this will help you stop going to work every day, stop seeing your boss, and work from home and live a happier, more productive life. Again, click on the link below this video and learn how you can do this from the comfort of your home. Thank you very much.